Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are diving into a kitchen gadget that claims to bring professional precision to your countertop. We are looking at the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. Whether you are living in a compact apartment, traveling in an RV, or just need an extra burner for those massive holiday dinners, portable induction has become a game changer. But does this specific model live up to the hype, or is it just another piece of kitchen clutter? Let us start with the performance. The standout feature here is the sheer range of temperature control. With 81 pre-programmed temperatures, you are getting fine-tuning in 5-degree increments, ranging from 100 degrees all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I have tested many burners in this category, and being able to hold a low temp for melting chocolate without burning it is a huge win. The technology behind the heating coils is designed to be closer to your cookware, which translates into faster heating and more even temperature distribution. One of the biggest pain points with basic electric burners is the lag time when you want to change the heat. The Nuwave Flex handles this impressively well. You can make adjustments on the fly, and the digital interface is immediate. It really feels like you are in control of the cooking process rather than fighting the hardware. Now, let us talk about safety and build. The surface is made of heavy-duty shatter-resistant ceramic glass. It is sturdy, easy to wipe down, and because it is induction, the surface does not get as dangerously hot as a traditional electric coil burner. Plus, the safety features are smart. It has an auto shut-off once your timer ends, and it simply will not engage if it does not detect compatible cookware. Speaking of which, remember that you must use induction-ready pots and pans. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of your cookware, you are good to go. The versatility is another massive pro. With 3 wattage settings at 600, 900, and 1300 watts, you can use this in places where you might be worried about tripping a breaker, like a dorm room or a campsite. It is lightweight and honestly quite slim, so storing it when you are not using it is a breeze. Are there any cons? Well, the primary limitation is the size of the heating coil, which is 6.5 inches. While this is perfect for most daily cookware, you might notice uneven heat distribution if you are using an oversized skillet. You have to be realistic about what a portable unit can do compared to a full-size range. Also, because it is induction, you have to be mindful of your cookware collection. If all your gear is aluminum or copper without a magnetic base, you will be looking at an additional investment to get started. In conclusion, the Nuwave Flex is a fantastic piece of engineering for anyone needing a portable, precise, and safe cooking solution. It is reliable for delicate sauces, powerful enough for searing, and smart enough to keep your kitchen safe. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup without a full kitchen remodel, this is a very strong contender. Link in the description.